Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unlock the butterfly knife. Step number 1. First, copy your invite link. After that, open your notepad and paste the invite link you copied. Then, copy the blue-colored active link you get from there. Step number 2. Now, open the Play Store or App Store and download the Clone Master app. After that, open the Clone Master app. Then, add Chrome and Bloodstrike to the Clone Master app. Next, open the Chrome you added inside the Clone Master app and paste the active invite link you copied. After that, click Claim Rewards. Then, you will be logged into Bloodstrike through the Clone Master app. Step number 3. Now, click on the server where your main account is located. After that, get your account to level 3. Then you will receive the rewards. You can log into your main account and claim those rewards. To get the remaining rewards, back out of the game again. Open the Clone Master app just like before. Add Chrome and Bloodstrike to the Clone Master app again, just like before. Now, repeat these same steps 5 more times. Then, you will be able to get the butterfly knife. So, those are the steps. There is a small risk with this method. There is a possibility of the account getting banned, but our account hasn't been banned yet. If it gets banned, I will let you know. If you can, find 6 devices. Send your invite link to all those phones, log into Bloodstrike through them and reach level 3. Then you will automatically get the gifts. That is the safest method. Alright then, let's meet in the next video. GG.